Breaking news, Keystone Laredos invade MORryde. Well, not quite, but it's a cool sight to see two Keystone Laredos visit MORryde to have upgraded suspension products installed at the same time. For many years, people thought MORryde products were mostly designed for the ultra high-end or very heavy RVs. But over the years, MORryde has designed more and more products to fit the full range of RVs, from the smallest to the largest, from the lightest to the heaviest, which is great because RVs are houses on wheels that need protection from harsh and damaging road shock. And that's what these two Laredos were looking for. The 2018 Laredo is owned by Mr. Ricious. He bought it 2 weeks ago and on his maiden voyage found the jerking and chucking and bucking to be too much for his wife who has a bad back. After lots of internet searching and forum digging, as well as a recommendation from Kettleson RV in Hiawatha, Iowa, he settled on the MORryde rubber pin box system to try and address the problem. He had a cross-country trip coming up to see his son commissioned in the Navy and needed a solution. In less than an hour, Mr. Ricious was ready for a test ride to see just what the MORryde pin box would do for him. Let's just say the ride was all thumbs up. For more info on Mr. Ricious' story, check out our Facebook page and you can get all the details. The 2014 Laredo 25RL is owned by Mr. Algram. He chose for the full upgrade for his Laredo. A tip-to-tail upgrade means you get the MORryde pin box on the front to address the jerking, chucking, bucking feeling that comes from towing a fifth wheel. On the rear is the MORryde SRE 4000, and that helps smooth out the roads and make the towing smoother, as well as protect the trailer from damaging road shock. The SRE 4000's increased suspension travel works to help cushion and absorb from even the harshest roads. The MORryde X Factor and heavy-duty shackle kit. Well, the X Factor reduces the lateral strain on the frame, while the heavy-duty shackle kit upgrades the shackle brackets and bushings to heavier-duty, more durable components. It gives him peace of mind and durability when traveling on the road. So that's the Laredo invasion. Whether you're a part-time or full-time RVer, MORryde has the upgraded solution to help your RV.